Hi, my name is Akhil Sai Patel. I am explaining about the modifiers. Modifiers are how to explain and what are modifier, what examples did modifier had. These are we explained in this programming. This about English communication skills. Now the explanation of modifier. What is modifier? Modifiers are used to clarify, explain, describe, and otherwise delimit the meaning of other part of speech and sentence elements. There are word pairs or classes that gives descriptive details. When considering the properties for an modifier, ask yourself what word is being modified. The first step in identifying modifier is to read the sentence and look for descriptive words. You should then look at each descriptive word and try to determine whether it is an adjective or adverb. We first need to describe that the word is a adjective or a adverb, then we determine the modifier. When an object is an adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. Has answered the questions how many, which one, what kind. These are we have to use in this. For examples are adverb or she is good tennis player. What kind of tennis player he is? What is an easy exercise? What kind of exercise is it? She give the swing a gentle push. What kind of push did she give the swing? Jumping with joy. She rejoined about her victory and jumping with joy. These are the examples of adverb. An adverb describes as verb, an adjective, another adverb. It answers the questions when, where, how, why, and to what extent. The adverb explain about these when, there, where, now, why, and to what extent. Examples of adverb are she played tennis well. How does she play? This exercise is relatively easy. To what extent is easy? She pushed the swing gently. She did his push the swing. These are the examples of adverb. In the same venue, remember that adjective modifies noun and pronoun. Do not mistakenly use an adverb or modify this part of speech. For example, after a linking verb, you may be tempted to use an adverb instead of adjective. You will recall that the link verb is special kind of verb because it links in subject to a subject complement. These are the things we need to remember when we are when we are adjecting a modifier. A subject complement can be either a noun. Remember the subject of a modifier. When it is a modifier, it must be an adjective because it describes the subject, always a noun or a pronoun. It does not modify the link verb itself and should therefore be an adverb. We felt badly about having this. Identify the modifier sign, tell whether it is function as an adjective or an adverb. She set him down very gently. It was a nice house. Mr. Clinton is an healthy man. He gave the man a fighting star. The politician is a man of friendly nature. He does his presentation carefully. My father is a great mentor. These are the examples we need to identify. Another more are she sit it down very gently. It is a nice house. He rudely answered the phone call. We recently constructed this house. These are the examples of modifier and we need to identify these examples. She sit down very gently. in this, what is the modifier we need to identify. So friends, this is about the modifiers, and thank you.